Okay, so at this point, you should already know how to find the rule in a number sequence. This video is all about now using that rule to extend the number sequence and extend the pattern. So let's say you're looking at a question like this, and the question says, look at the sequence below. Find the rule to determine the next three numbers in the sequence. So again, you'll see that dot, dot, dot after the 18. That means that the sequence is going to keep going. The question is saying, okay, well, if it keeps going, what would the next three numbers be? So it's really a two-step process. First thing you need to do is figure out what rule is happening. And then once you know the rule, then you can apply the rule and use it to create the next three numbers. So let's talk about, again, finding the rule. I can see that these numbers are increasing, which means it's either going to be multiplication or addition. So to find the rule, I'm going to say, okay, let's just say maybe it's multiplication because I know 2 times 3 is 6. So right now I'm thinking the rule might be multiplying by 3. But again, it's not a rule unless it repeats 3 times. So I'm going to test it again. Is 6 times 3 equal to 10? The answer is no. So even though it looked like the rule was multiply by 3, because I knew better than to just assume, I realized it didn't continue. So it's not multiplying by 3, which means it's got to be addition. So addition, to go from 2 to 6, would be plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. I'm going to check and see if that works again. Is 6 plus 4 equal to 10? Yes, it is. And last but not least, is 10 plus 4 equal to 14? Absolutely. So now that I've found the rule, I now need to apply the rule. And so I'm going to take that rule, adding 4 each time, and I'm leaving off at 18 to figure out what the next term is going to be. 18 plus 4, do a little side problem if I need to, that's 22. Apply the rule again, 22 plus 4 more is 26. And finally, 26 plus 4 more is 30. So when I look at the answer choices, I'm looking for the one that says 22, 26, 30. Oh my goodness, that's an error on my screen. I'm totally going to fix that right now while you guys are watching. And clearly, don't choose answer choice D on that one. It is going to be answer choice C. Let me move through that again. It is going to be answer choice C that matches that, 22, 26, 30. Don't get the right answer and then choose the wrong one like I just did. All right, let's look at another one. It says, look at the number sequence below, find the rule to determine the next three numbers. Again, we're going to find the rule and then apply the rule. So first thing when we're finding the rule, it is also increasing. So it's either going to be multiplication or addition. So if I think, okay, let me try addition first. I know 3 plus 6 is 9, but I don't know that's the rule yet unless it keeps working 3 times. Is 9 plus 6 equal to 27? No, because 9 plus 6 is 15. So it's definitely not adding 6, which means it's going to have to be multiplication. So I got to think, okay, 3 times what is 9? 3 times 3 is 9. Let me test that rule again. Is 9 times 3 27? Yes, it is. And I might do a little side problem. Is 27 times 3 81? It sure is. So now that I know what the rule is, I am now going to apply the rule. Starting at 81, I'm going to apply the rule of multiply by 3. 81 times 3 is 243. Times 3 again, 729. And 729 times 3, 2,187. Let's hope I have the right one circled. So that would make the correct answer, answer choice B. So you're going to go ahead and try a few of these on the next page again, checking in when you are finished with the entire page, just like the directions say.